Welcome to Animals TV!
Hello, little explorers. Today we'll meet the tallest friend on Earth, the lovely giraffe. A giraffe's neck is so long it can reach the tallest trees in the savanna. Look, that long neck helps them eat leaves no other animal can reach. How cool is that? Their bodies are covered with beautiful brown spots, like nature's patterned coat. Each giraffe has its own unique pattern, just like our fingerprints. No two are the same. The little horns on their heads are called ossicones, soft, furry, and super cute. Their big, bright eyes can see for miles, even spotting lions from far away. And those long, strong legs help them run up to 60 kilometers an hour, just like horses. Tall, gentle, and graceful, giraffes truly are the gentle giants of nature. Stay with us. In this adventure, we'll discover all the amazing secrets of the giraffe. Did you know a giraffe's neck can be almost 2 meters long, taller than your door? Even with that super long neck, giraffes have only 7 neck bones, just like us. Can you guess? Their tongue is 45 centimeters long, and it's purple? That purple color protects their tongue from the hot sun while eating all day long. See those long, straight legs? Every step looks like a gentle dance on the savanna. Their hearts are super strong, weighing up to 11 kilograms to pump blood up that long neck. When they drink water, they spread their legs wide, so the blood doesn't rush to their heads too fast. Their tiny ears never stop twitching. They can hear sounds from far away, even soft rustling grass. From head to toe, giraffes are amazing, beautiful, strong, and totally one of a kind. Where do giraffes live? In the wide, sunny grasslands of Africa, filled with trees and tall green grass. They love places with lots of acacia trees. Their favorite leaves are juicy and tasty. When the sun gets hot, giraffes rest under shady trees full of flowers, calm, quiet, and peaceful. When the wind blows, the leaves sway and the whole giraffe herd moves gently, like golden clouds across the savanna. Each giraffe herd can travel many kilometers every day looking for fresh leaves and cool water. When the rainy season comes, the trees turn green, flowers bloom. It's the giraffe's happiest time. And in the dry season, they do just fine, eating fresh leaves from high branches no one else can reach. Giraffes don't need to drink water every day. They get it right from the leaves they eat. At sunset, giraffes stand together, listening to the wind and watching the starry sky, peaceful and calm. The savanna is their magical home, where giraffes live in harmony with trees, flowers, and every living creature. Did you know giraffes are very gentle and live together in big herds across the savanna? In a herd, there's no leader. They all move freely but stay close, like good friends. When they meet, giraffes gently touch necks. That's how they say hello and make friends. Male giraffes sometimes neck wrestle, not to fight, just to see who's stronger.
I will keep
When a giraffe
you
mom
safe,
gives birth, the herd
my
stays
little
close to
one.
protect her. The baby stands up just minutes after birth. Baby giraffes are curious. They love running around mom, exploring flowers, and looking with big round eyes. When tired, the baby rests in the shade while mom stands guard. Such a peaceful scene. Giraffes don't roar or trumpet. They talk with their eyes, gestures, and gentle vibrations. As the sun sets, the whole herd walks through the golden light, gentle and beautiful like a painting. Life for giraffes is calm. They teach us to live slowly, gently, and with love. Giraffes are 100% plant eaters. Their menu is full of leaves, flowers, and sweet fruits. A giraffe can eat up to 30 kilograms of leaves a day. That's like a giant basket full of apples. Their favorite is acacia leaves, crunchy and sweet, like nature's little snacks. Look at that long tongue. It wraps around branches and pulls down leaves like a magic hook. Giraffes eat slowly and chew carefully. Each leaf is ground up with their big, strong back teeth. Even thorny acacia trees don't scare them. Their thick tongues and lips protect them from sharp spikes. Here's something cute. When giraffes chew, their ears wiggle too, like they're dancing. They drink only a few times a week. Most of their water comes from juicy leaves. When eating together, each giraffe picks a different tree, so everyone gets their share. Giraffes don't just eat to live, they help plants grow. The leaves they munch come back greener and stronger. Did you know, giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. Adults can reach up to 6 meters tall. Their heart is as big as a soccer ball and weighs about 11 kilograms, strong enough to pump blood up that long neck. Giraffes sleep for only about 30 minutes a day, and they often sleep standing up. When they drink water, they have to spread their legs wide. It looks funny but super cute. Giraffes can run up to 60 kilometers per hour, almost as fast as a city car. While running, their necks swing in rhythm to stay balanced, like gliding with the wind. Even though they're tall, giraffes are graceful. They bend down to smell flowers or play with tiny birds. Their necks are long, but not long enough to reach the ground, so they must bend their legs to drink or pick something up. Giraffes are peaceful animals. They rarely fight and always avoid trouble. Giraffes don't just eat to live, they help plants grow. The leaves they munch come back greener and stronger. Giraffes are nature's gardeners. By eating leaves, they help trees grow fresh and spread seeds across the land. Thanks to giraffes trimming the trees, sunlight reaches the ground so grass and flowers can grow too. Giraffe herds also help other animals, like birds, insects, and gazelles, find safe places to live. They're symbols of peace and patience, moving slowly and living kindly with all creatures. Sadly, their numbers are going down because forests are disappearing and the climate is changing. Today, only about 117,000 giraffes remain in the wild, much fewer than before. But here's the good news. Many people are planting trees, protecting forests, and keeping giraffes safe. Across Africa, conservation groups teach children how to love and care for these tall, gentle friends. Every small action matters. When we plant a tree, we're building a new home for giraffes. Giraffes teach us this. Being tall isn't about being above others. It's about seeing further, to protect the world around us. Thank you for exploring the gentle giants of nature, the giraffes. See you on our next wild adventure with Animals TV.